Welcome to Unit 2. Hopefully you are now a little more familiar with using Canvas and you got through week 1 of the semester with ease. I would like to first mention that you guys did a great job on the discussion post, identifying your goals and challenges and then coming up with some solutions for one another. So good job there. I always say putting our heads together can help solve our problems if we think creatively and collectively. So remember, there are always 3 deadlines for the discussions to get full credit. You must follow the directions, post on time, respond to 2 students with academic questions, and then answer anyone who posted a question to you. So some folks asked a great question. They said, well, what happens if nobody asks you a question? And if that happens and you post it on time, then you will not be docked any points, so you don't have to worry about that. So for those who expressed interest in taking this course as an honors course, I will be emailing you shortly to follow up. So for this week, we are covering Unit 2, Week 2. Our 2 topics are a mindset of motivation and getting to know your campus resources. So for our motivation topic, we watch 2 videos, the Stanford Marshmallow Test, the Grit video, and we complete 2 assignments, the 12-item grit scale, and the language of responsibility and inner voices. This idea of mindset really does inflict a great deal of influence on our success in college and in life. And so Stanford conducted this test and this marshmallow study with kids to see who could last a long time without eating a marshmallow. What they were trying to test was their ability to wait, their ability for delayed gratification. So after you watch that video, you can imagine what type of students were more successful later on. With our grit video, Angela Lee Duckworth is the author there of that video, and she is she studies psychology of success. So it's really key to pay attention to what grit is in her video. She's identified it as something that makes people more successful. And then you will take her assessment to determine how much grit you have as well. And then for the last part of mindset, we have the language of responsibility and your inner voices. This is important because we have the voice in your head, which is your own voice, is really your inner voice. And so whatever it tells you, you kind of tend to listen to more. So if it's more positive and it takes ownership of your decisions in life, then you tend to be more positive and take ownership of your decisions in life. So we have a little worksheet on that, and that finishes our first topic of our mindset of motivation. Our second topic, getting to know your campus resources, includes a short PowerPoint on our resources, an activity where you can do a virtual scavenger hunt online, or you can go to campus and walk around campus to find the locations of these different resources. And then we have the catalog questionnaire, and the instructions are there to download the document, look at our college catalog, and answer the questions. It's very informative, and everybody should have a catalog from their first year of the college that they go to, any college that you go to. So that is a little bit about our topics this week. You are going to read your chapter 2, and next week we start our time management piece. Yeah. So let me know if you have any questions. I am always here to assist you, and I look forward to having a great week too. Alrighty, bye-bye you guys.